This problem is probably one of the easiest capture problems ever because there are 5 intersections that black can try and 3 of them are correct. As long as you do not play this, it's a little tempting, but as long as you calculate, right, you will not fail like this. And obviously this doesn't work. So any of these 3 points, right, this one, or this one, they will guarantee a connect and die situation for black. And black will be able to succeed this way. And the sequence doesn't even matter here, right? You can play any of the 3 moves. Or it might be like this. So overall, I don't know what to explain because this is really simple and straightforward. With a little bit of calculation, you should be able to figure this out. If you think this is too easy, don't worry, there are definitely harder problems ahead. Thank you for your patience, and I will see you in the next video.